There's a jungle out there, Mr. Bill.
Yes, Gumby.
A rainforest. Let's go to the rainforest, see the animals.
Yes, Gumby.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Look, Gumby. Tree frog. That sounds like a rabbit.
Ribbit. 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 Yeah, that's a funny tree frog, Gumby. Yeah, yes, Mr. Bill. That's a tree frog with red eyes. Yeah. Ribbit hops it, can't jump. Ribbit, let's goodbye for ribbit, 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 ribbit. Look at that, a jaguar. That's a jaguar with black spots. It can growl. Row. Hello, jaguar. Hi, jaguar. Rawr, rawr. Look at it. Look at this. Black spots. Huh? Let's go. A toucan makes a sound. Hello, toucan. Make a sound like this. Rawr. The toucans are croaking and cooing. Rah, 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 rah. That's a funny toucan. Look at this military macaws. The green wings that fly. Squawks. Squawk, 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 squawk. Squawk, 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 squawk. Yeah, that's a flying parrot. Hello, military macaw. Squawk, squawk. See you later, military macaw. Yeah, that's tapir with a nose, trunk. Hello, tapir. Yeah, that is a tapir, a rainforest. The snake goes his slivers. Whoa, it's scary. Hello, red snake. Look at this, a lyrebird. A lyrebird. Look at this, Gumby. The harps is the music, Gumby. Yes, Mr. Bill, it's a lyrebird. Tweet, 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 tweet. A lyrebird is tells of the harps of instruments. Like lyrebird, tweet, tweet, tweet. Look at this white tiger. It's a black stripes, a rainforest. Hi, tiger! Roar! Tigers can roar, Miss Bill. Roar! Roar, roar! Roar! That's funny of a tiger. That's a great to be rainforest animals and jungle. Ribbit, squawk, squawk. Yeah, that's a funny and rainforest friends. It comes of this jungle, Mr. Bill. Yes, Gumby. I hear the animals. Rah! You're surprising me. Yes, funny of the animals. Funny, a sound like birds. Yes, funny barking toucan. Squawk, squawk, roar. See you later.